Alright, so Jamaica, this that I'm standing on is a land where them clear. Them clear up that land here. This is church pen. And from the looks of it, I am hoping that whoever responsible for that piece of property with that one, I hope for agriculture purposes that are used for. And most Jamaicans will get a job. I understand from residents over here who brought it to my attention. Them say, yo, a long time we're here, say housing scheme I come there. And we feel say a housing scheme I go there. Now let me tell you this, you know. We have seen enough housing schemes, and the houses them wanna get like a 2-bedroom house them and of a regular Jamaican, yeah? You see this? You see the one I dig out, sir? I wanna take up a whole of the agriculture land. I wanna just casually I build houses, wanna develop a friends them. Houses where the regular Jamaican who are getting 15,000 Jamaican dollars a week for minimum wage can buy, which is $720,000 a year. 720,000 a year. And out of that, them spend at least $1,000 a day per food. Just lunch, right? Which is basically 365,000 come out of the 720. And then for fear, you're looking at another 250,000 for the year. In a fear. No money not left in that. For pay a mortgage or if you come buy on a house them, on a put yourself in 19 million and 20 million and 30 million. The average Jamaican have it. So on force them, the middle class, or the lower middle class, teachers, police and other people, and most times that them come get it, and them have to end up a suffer for 40 years and try to pay a mortgage, where some of them have to either sell back juice at work, or sell sweet in a classroom, have to do other ways of hustling and a beg and a try to survive in order to pay a mortgage and rent. We're asking you to create opportunities in the country. We don't want no more house. If regular Jamaicans did get this land and build upon it, they are considered squatters. Right across the length and breadth of Jamaica, everybody is squatter. But Chinaman and white people come in our country and them get land. Right now we have a Jamaican female in the US. We have a Jamaican soldier. She works for America over 20 years. The video is online. And America take away our passport. Them need to go process her. Right? And the Prime Minister can't even talk about it. We should have a country where we say, sister, come home. Come home. There are jobs here. Come and work for the Jamaica Defense Force. No, not even offer her a job. She have the experience. Maybe she should come and be the commissioner of police. Or be the one who lead the JDF. With her experience. We don't want them, the people there. We not try to create opportunities for Jamaicans living outside of the US. I mean, outside of Jamaica. People who are living in the US and other parts of the world. We need to care for the people in the diaspora. We want to enjoy seeing them. I come back from plane and the Prime Minister of Jamaica, you, Andrew Oles, call big meeting, press conference. With the first plane load to come here, I talk to them need to be themselves or they're going to meet a judge or they're going to meet a maker. That is what you could have promised to Jamaicans who fled from Jamaica because there are no jobs here. 99% of we brain people them left here. Go work in our country. And then to be ostracized, right? And be marginalized and be torn down by government officials. When will we get representation from UNO to set up Jamaica in a way where we protect the natural resources of this country and we create jobs? We make even Obama, Trump, Biden, and all of them so-called important people have to get visa for coming to Jamaica. But we can't do that. Because we already sell on the soul to the devil, sell out the country, full of thinking pocket, them full of money. And the rest of the country, if you suffer, barely can make it. This year, we're going to have one of the worst recession in 2025. And no hope for the youths, them. Right? After me just don't talk to the youth, yes, from church, when the man say, my youth, nothing there, so for we, no? Nothing there, so for we, no? When you hear the young men, them talk like that, what do you think them a pray? Them a pray if you go tear down people shop. I have to give me number look while. And I give him an opportunity and I point him to XRP. I say, take so XRP, go online. Buy XRP. And December, you call me and tell me thanks. But you know why here? Yes, me I push my cryptocurrency agenda. Yes, because it's not the only way to save the youths them. And the only way to save certain families who are suffer. And I prefer to stand in the gap right now and point people to avenues where they can make some money. Me want go in a parliament and to oldness. Me want you see it. Let me show the how to run country. Because the first thing the dirty constitution want to have that way. We can't tell you that. And we over at Up Jamaica, we have a constitution. Even Marcus Garvey movement have a constitution that is far better than the shit we want to have. That was written to us by our colonial masters who does not do it. That constitution does not do anything for the average Jamaican people. So, under FIMI regime, let me tell you what will go on. Straight. Every single natural resource that is here, Jamaica is going to have majority shares in that. Bauxite, all of everything. Majority shares. And we will finally have accountability as it pertains to the country's money. Not the tune where $3 trillion is going to be unaccounted for. As a matter of fact, there shall not be any Jamaican, no Jamaican, should be without land or without a home. Land for the friggin' landless. You cannot be a citizen of Jamaican, boy. You're a squatter. But when election come, you're an eligible electorate. Eligible electorate. You qualify for vote. And the Jamaicans, they say, oh no, you say, oh no. Not for uno who are like the garrison here, them want to take money, and some of uno look dirty Jamaicans will get up and take money and sell out the country. Some 5,000, some 10,000. You see, uno the real problem in the country, you know. Uno the real problem in the country. Why uno not surprise them dirty thinking politicians here? Why make we can't have some young people, some real voters who come out and switch the thing now, put in some people who mean the country well. Me not have to go in there, you know. Me not feel good. Although me want to, me not have to go in there. I want brand new people. Brand new people. You see them drunk with them from 1910. And them in there. Them and them Pitney. And then Grand Pitney. So all of the money stays with these drunkards in the country. We are going to revolutionize this place and it start now. Remember me tell you now.